was Civitas Metropolitano Stadium. Yenya Atletico Madrid fie. Woman Arsenal ebo 1-1. Now the tense Andra game Ebasono. The tense Arsenal. Woman player na friend Victor Jokeres and the first goal. And my Arsenal a penalty and Sana Julian Alvarez. One of the penalty ebenya equalizer. And the ama team from say Atletico Madrid. And the Andra Atletico fie. Woman Arsenal ebo 1-1 draw. I am not player. They want some. Emma Tifonia show so. Nyankopon ya duma next week Tuesday and our return fixture Ebaso Emirata and I'm pay the update Emma Tifonia show so. Now when him say I'm not Arsenal. Woman Atletico Madrid game Ebaso way before the game. Yenya Arsenal for na mo complaining at the Emma UEFA for say Atletico Madrid Stadium no grass no e was rodo. Now way any first time at team B and Atletico Madrid wo mo UEFA Champions League ma omo complaining say grass no e was ro obeka Atletico quarter final omone Barca and boy na Barca manager je friend say Hans Flick e complaining say grass no e was ro e ma UEFA for no ka say enya no kre na andra Arsenal for no wo mo complaining ama afedie UEFA for no e ka say wo mo kwakosusu grass no. Now according to UEFA wom emlem no wom say grass e was say a sase edify 21 millimeters ekopim 30 millimeters amra omosusu grass no na e 26 millimeters e chese Atletico for no wom nya boni bianti amra e game no heba so a yere won sam emetie fo nya e show no so now when say Arsenal akọ 30 matches unbeaten e UEFA Champions League nim the last 30 matches are team from say Arsenal wom abo our Champions League no Arsenal in your defeat. Now when you said the last time Arsenal Omo call 30 matches our Champions League in a single season womo enya defeat no na 2006 Arsenal equal final eti Arsenal phone e gidie say afi so womo betimi akọ final amana ye mame Antoine Griezmann were player at Atletico Madrid and Ana Griezmann we won the last Champions League home game at my team je from say Atletico now when him say ever since Antoine Griezmann ever Atletico we about 495 games was 212 goals and a 98 assists. Nimam our UEFA Champions League no Andra Enobono 97th game and my Atletico was 40 goals and a 16 assists. Now just 56 goals. That's a 56 goal contribution in 97 games. Edema, I'm not telling you, Antoine Griezmann, our Champions League game. Edema, Atletico Madrid. Now, Antoine Griezmann, after the game, Wakasai, Griezmann say on only dream, and I say, or the Atletico Madrid ever qualify, Edia call UEFA Champions League, EBM Edema Atletico. Now, the Betimaka, and they say, how many Arsenal game, no, both home and away. One, I know, I'm not telling you, Antoine Griezmann. Now, I prepare ye pa. What say? Andra when your best 3 chances are Nina na was watching Nemo Montimanche Nemo promise what ma Atletico Woma France and say Yami Aduma Tuesday omu game omubo e London e de tie team je from say Arsenal no e dia obesha go and I ablan tie from say Antoine Griezmann and Sam Kaka Odituga na Diego Pablo Simeone waba Atletico Madrid 2011 as manager when him say on English teams Abo ewa UEFA Champions League 7 times ewa knockout stage wo bia no watima se Atletico ewa fie se aya Vicente Calderon ana se Civitas Metropolitano Stadium wo bia ntimi se no woni Chelsea abo woni Leicester City abo woni Liverpool abo woni Man United abo woni Man City abo woni Spurs abo and woni Arsenal abo eti wo bia ni wo awatima se Atletico Madrid under manager Jefferson Diego Simeone ewa Vicente Calderon Anasa Civitas Metropolitano Stadium Mametiero Henry were legend Edma Tima je from say Arsenal the last time Arsenal when we call Champions League final 2006 our Stade de France against Barca Arsenal and Timaje not Thierry Henry and their captain now Andra after the game no na Thierry say game na ya share nano Tuesday anasa nano Tuesday by Munchen woman ene Paris Saint-Germain game no different kra na the obeti can say a game where them say I say PH game no you born moon name mandra game near born earth nice and so here a moon of gravity from has no gravitational force no and also our stropa now what the tear voice no say I am ready jadi ebema nimam the tear say andra wo po game na amoko no ye benya Arsenal wo play a France Ben White the tear say Atletico Madrid womo crest na eda form no on say players there at times womo respect omo opponent ne crest one faso nemom arantia fans Ben White ekofa so ema Giuliano Simeone one ne papa Diego Simeone say amuntiase say Ben White one for ebuo and for my team from say Atletico Madrid na ye kase Champions League experience enka Atletico Madrid womo e be at the Arsenal say Atletico womo ko Champions League final makoma ko be say miensa ba ana say team from say Arsenal womo ko ba ko pe Atletico 1974 against Bayern Munich womo lusuye 2014 against Real Madrid womo lusuye na 2016 against Real Madrid womo lusuye the Champions League no womo ni bo at say Arsenal eti omontiase say Arsenal for na yen anyemo say eno Diego Simeone one ne by friend say Giuliano Simeone and ensem kakra koso a ena no pay de wonsem e matifo nya e show no so na wo de yen tie Henry and what you was sika ne sem okay enya ready dia wo de anto so na mame Arsenal one manager first Mikel Arteta and Arteta bu fubuta esa say penalty incident e see na wonum say and 2 goals e buy no na ni nyina aye penalty ne mom 10 minutes Arsenal wo mo konya penalty abrantie first e better chance every bench e benya penalty e my team from say Arsenal e my referee Danny McKelly e ko pitch side monitor wo buy no say born enye penalty na post match interview and Mikel Arteta e say unacceptable e say decision no e benya insunsan so e tie no so yente Arsenal one manager first Mikel Arteta.
Hi, Mikel. Just on the decision again, will you approach UEFA or put a case forward about this decision not going your way?
No. I leave that to the club to decide what's the best thing to do. Now they're not going to give us the penalty. That's gone, and that's it.
Okay, we are the Gunners Arsenal on manager Mikel Arteta and our tenant can say all Casano. Now Diego Pablo Simeone say ya fanto obianim say oh no ni honest opinion and say Victor Jokeres ne penalty na omajima no bo na national game say ope penalty dada e san say bo we die wodwene wa wontias ne mo referee no ege edema Arsenal ne mo e better che as de ne die one va from e adwene pa na Andra say enya va ene wo bo Emsenka Arsenal for SCC womo eno oye Diego Simeone ensem kakra odi tuja Samia Nasri one oye former player edima Arsenal was Mikel Arteta time cover say Arsenal womo e plus striker no emse manager no Victor Jokeres odi bae no when you wrong profile esanse de we Arsenal womo si ebobo no Victor Jokeres won city Arsenal womo style of play no na was Jokeres e wasanka wotimi connect one strikers no and as me fira se no rather nimom ne bo no I say Ellen Halano nimom hoda play kura no arantia friend say Victor Jokeres enya de enti according to Same Nasri Arsenal for no arantia Jefferson Victor Jokeres woman miss profile no and no Same Nasri and the sansem atuja na wonim say Arsenal eba anase yete Arsenal 1886 na chese 139 years ni and yete Arsenal wonim say Andrew Goa Victor Jokeres ehye no only 4th timer yenya Arsenal player what's a goal ever UEFA Champions League semi-final. Hey Arsenal na just Arsenal there abante France Kolo Toure against Villarreal 2005-2006 season. Ruben and Van Persie against Manchester United 2008 to 2009 season. Bukayo Saka 2024-2025 season against Paris Saint-Germain. And Andra Victor Jokeres one also Ashegonti yenya 4 players pa if you say yati Arsenal we must go our semi-final our UEFA Champions League and the amateur from say Arsenal now you can Jokeres and one seminal Jokeres say nyame adon Tuesday game a bit different cry esan say omoshe boa omo editia Atletico Madrid womo ne Atletico match ombo Emirates Stadium ade etia omo no sa game a bit different na do betima kan ade etia Arsenal anane ade ama Arsenal womo supporters and say sa game ne de kiane ken womo ebe we ne na no abrantia fan say Victor Jokeres and ade sansem atuja na Matteo Alemani one of the sporting director at Atletico Madrid Alemani say dia ten say omo penalty na omo nyae no na aye clear penalty nimom Arsenal penalty no na enye penalty na penalty na omo jima Arsenal no normally over Europa sa penalty bi say yenye na aye too soft na do betima kan ene say VAR for no say omo ye omo no maye eno aye Atletico womo sporting director Jeffrey say Matteo Alemani and this Hansen Atuja Julian Alvarez abe first player in the history of Atletico Madrid in a single season our UEFA Champions League no watch 10 or more goals and no aye abrantia Jeffrey say Julian Alvarez na Mikhailo Mudryk a Chelsea player Andra and by say FNO aman 4-year ban na Mikhail pa the 2024 and a FF by say woma charge abrantia Jefferson Mikhailo Mudryk for anti-doping. One substances be abewam ewa ni mojanum enti obaba enyeye na since November 2024 boy no enti mo bo from Chelsea na the test FF no one say a 4-year ban and omo de ma Mikhailo Mudryk nimom de me second and say Mudryk ne entourage and after Ukraine woman football federation woman the assembly akoma ka and I say court of arbitration for sports and no air cars enti afei in a cars woman Robert assembly so now a match say abia woman better so edema Mudryk and I say o me ban edia fuel and no air update a free Mudryk na so edi eba mami Cristiano Ronaldo esa say Andra Anasa woman say Ali by 2-0 e Ronaldo ani Kingsley Coman woman say 2 goals and ma Anasa now when say the last 20 games are Alasa Abo in all competition. Woman win 20 nina. The last 17 games are woman bo El Saudi Pro League no. Anasa awini nina. Na ablantia France married Dimarai. Where tech niba or a defender. Wasina kai adima tima. Jean from Senadi Arasel Ali team no. El Saudi Arabia. Your pro game no be hey. Bwani bo fuburuta. Na wasise say Rafisa amo Saudi Arabia. Obia epese Anasa Eji League no na do betima kan se etoso ekosi adia na em se Saudi League no na omo pese omo say no Yenti Ali womo defender Mara Dimarai.
The reputation of league, how is possible? Look, check here, check my foot. He broke almost my foot, huh? Everything they had to Nasser, they want to achieve something. Wallahi shame, wallahi alazim, wallah. They always push, they want to win Nasser. What is my friend? Wallah, this is shame, but alhamdulillah, Al-Ali always.
Okay, tiwai taking now sinankai at the Emma team from say Ali, it was Saudi Arabia, your friend say Mara Dimarai, and our tenant cancer or Casano. Now make Cristiano Ronaldo, no one seven Andra, and our Ronaldo is sending 970th career goal. Now Chese Akatati goals. Now Ronaldo Edru 1,000, I had 1,000 a year. Ronaldo ever drew. Now when you say Andra time Ronaldo, where post match interview, you mean Ali supporters are. Woma catch Cristiano Ronaldo say ne mondembo abba from papa na omo Ali Asian Champions League woma je twice in a row na ono Ronaldo oba Saudi Arabia wanya hwe ama Ronaldo gesture e de chom say wono Champions League UEFA de no waje makoma ko 5 edimu mienu na maginem say agro bi kura na mudie na Ronaldo sinyame adom na ebo season wi a won sem kapa esase na nsemu obo say Saudi Arabia players na ombo clubs no was omo kasa Facebook and watch the tense Instagram wobia e chena dwen na wagidi e pass enoma e koso e Saudi Arabia no entwaye say entwaye na image e create and ma Saudi Arabia league no a bad image especially e Europe e sense omo Saudi Arabia one person omo league no e kama Arabia ometimi e de omo ho atoto Europe for no it is e koba say Saudi Arabia league no ni image ever from there e dia e hard ne pa we e Cristiano Ronaldo.
I think this is not good for the league. Everyone complain, everyone do it more than should do. This is football. This is not war. We know we have to fight. Everyone wants to win, but it's not allowed everything. It's not allowed everything. I'm gonna have time to speak in the end of the season because I see many bad things. Many players complain, do it post in Instagram and Facebook, speak about the referee, speak about the league, speak about the project. I think this is not good. This is not the goal of the.
Okay, I know Cristiano Ronaldo and our tenant canty Ronaldo and Sam Ronaldo Richard Yakolemum Oko Real Madrid. And I know pay them in second say Madafono almost say Oma Tony Cruz a Juma. Now almost sporting structure national. A ho and the Tony Cruz a question. Now the second say Oba working closely with Madrid major decision makers including Fiorentino Perez and after Juni Califat and he said gombe top player biaba there around Tony Cruz na bomb now I must say Zidane 2010 sa and omoyena and namso e man be coach or jijin kro bebre e de e ma Real Madrid Tony Cruz sa kwan na pepepe and omode ono so e faso eno e updater e free Real Madrid o maso e be na no pay no jade e honsem e matiefo nyina e o show no so Richardo.
Okay. Enti Saudi Pro League president as your bull league review.
Honsem kapa.
Kwa to me. Asum na me ntwani mo league ni. You are plus be all transfers our league no ho oh social media no so no. Very, very negative. And now sometimes I can. You see, nobody is saying you can't complain, but when same you are okay, a good product name must say. What I say? Especially so you stakeholder. And now Ronaldo person can. You are a stakeholder of the league now. You know, Mundina mobile. It is a who stakeholder no could baby. Now can so product nya. Do you expect the consumer no so no consumer you know? He won't. Inti chama de no nya ka so be press conference ye de obey inti atiefo adu ha ibeti bi na Cristiano Ronaldo nsensem ni na no ye hu said ya hu nsem no ebetimi akọ insha 104.5